Hi, this is the Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your username on Snapchat. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. There are times when you are no longer happy with your current username on a social media platform and would rather prefer a new one. Snapchat, like other popular messaging app, offers a way to change your username, although all you could do was change your Snapchat display name for years. Now, the messaging platform is rolling out a new option to change your actual username without having to delete your account. So, if you're wondering how to change your Snapchat username, you can watch this video. So first, of course, we have to open our Snapchat and you can go to your profile. After that, you can go to the settings by tap on the upper right corner on the gear icon in here. And you'll find there is an option username on your settings. You can just tap on that. So this is how friends and your friends on Snapchat find and add you on Snapchat. You can only change your username once a year. So you can just tap on your username. Your username might become eligible for year reuse by someone else in the future. So you have to make sure that you really want to change your username on your Snapchat. After that, you can just tap on continue. Now you can just enter your new username. Now, this username is free, you can use it. Now you can just tap on next. You can enter your password, Snapchat password, tap on confirm, change username. Are you sure you can only change your username once per year? If you're sure, you can just tap on continue. So now, here's your new username. Your username has been successfully updated. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change your username on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!